Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ODYS THANOS 10 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on apps and notifications. Here we have to scroll down to tap on advanced and right under it we've got special app access, as you can see at the very bottom of this list. So here we have to find install unknown apps. And as you can see, this is the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, and just like in my case, to install some content. Of course, you can change it. If you'd like to, for example, allow Chrome to install something, just tap on it and tap on the switcher here. Now we can go back, and as you can see, from now on, the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So it will work the same for all other apps. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher, and of course you can turn off all previously given permissions. Just tap on the Chrome again and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your ODYS THANOS 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.